I'm Kenny from Quantum Mobile Gear, one of IT distributor in the Philippines. So this is our newest product, Vago. This is a solution for travelers that have too much baggage.
Yeah.
So usually when they travel, going, okay lang. Ang pabalik naman, syempre, you have souvenirs na, di ba? So usually your clothes consumes a lot of space. So with Vago, it actually reduce the space to up to 50% by removing the air.
Yeah, so parang siyang vacuum seal, yung parang ganun.
Yes.
And then how much is it now here in the Philippines?
So the retail price for this Vago, it's 3,290. It comes with the vacuum compressor, the vacuum bags, and a USB cable.
Okay. And then you can actually use your power bank or plug it in.
Yes. So the reason why it comes with the USB cable because it can charge using either your power bank or your phone charger.
Okay. So now let's do a demo of the product.
So just plug it in, screw it in. Now this can be powered by power bank or your phone charger. So in this case, may dala akong power bank. Again, perfect siya i-combo with your cherry room. Tama kasi we release, diba?
Yeah.
And before we turn it on, we have to ensure na naka-zip lock siya. Minsan nakalimutan ko i-lock, kaya hindi na ano.
Useful nga talaga. Gano'ng katagal, sir, usually kapag
Max is mga 6 minutes.
totally na siya, deflated niya?
Well, in this case, I would say abot siya max kasi walang laman eh. Usually kung may ano siya,
mas
jump pack.
mabilis.
Oo.
Kasi pag jump pack na siya, yung hangin niya medyo natanggal din. Diba?
So very portable siya. Although there's already a vacuum bags na nabebenta, it's really designed for vacuum cleaner. Diba yung ano niya, butas. So syempre, you can't expect to bring the vacuum cleaner when you travel.
True.
So in one way lang naka-compress ang bag mo, pabalik. Yung pabalik pa naman importante, di ba? Dahil nandun yung mga pasalubong. So, ito, portable siya. Dala mo na yung compress.
Siguro madodoble yung malalagay mo sa travel bag mo.
And usually, especially during December, ang pinaka-space consuming na
Battery, sir. Power bank lang. May battery pa.
Yeah, power bank.
Pero pwede mo na siya i-plug directly, no, sir?
Yes.
Out na.
Usually, ang space consuming na damit is winter jacket. Especially if you're it will help compress.
Yung mga fur.
Tapos sa bahay,
Unan, di ba, sir? Pwede
Yes.
siguro, no? May larger bags man na bibili, sir?
Yes, may larger bags that is being sold separately. It's 490 at local price. Hindi pa namin yung pinapasok yung large.
Yung ganito, sir, how much siya?
This one is 450.
450.
Yes.
Maliit lang difference.
so magkano bro this one, sir?
This one, the whole package, kasi they don't package na yung pag-info na.
Para pwede pang lumit.
It's 3,290.
Talagang papakumpok.
Useful talaga for travelers. Maganda siguro yan, sir, ipoporma mo na yung mga damit mo, no? Parang naka-hilera mo na.
Hilera na.
Para pag lumiit siya.
Mali talaga. Kasi parang mali pa rin siya. Compress na eh.
Tapos tanggalin lang siya. Then lalagyan mo.
So, gusto nyo i-reverse natin kung gaano ka, pag pumasok yung air.
Sige.
Yung sir.
Nag-back up.
Tumataba siya ulit, oh.
Useful for travelers. Also for storage sa bahay.
So this is Vago, and thank you.